Blessings. My name is Baldwin, and today I will be reading a favorite passage from my second book, Forgiveness Workshop from Higher Self Spirit. This workshop, excuse me, just an FYI, this workshop can be utilized in person. I have it available online with videos or through the workbook that's included in this book itself in the back for you, okay? So this workshop will support you in moving out of the ego's control and into your higher self and spirit. One of the most powerful ways to do this is through forgiveness. When the ego chimes in with the chatter, and trust me, it will throughout this process, the response is simple. Say out loud or to yourself, yes, I get that, and thank you for sharing. That's not my truth any longer. Thank you for all you've provided. My soul and my heart space are expanding. I scoop you up and return you to source with love. No fear, only love. Let's move on to what I call the forgiveness formula. Questions is addressed through higher self and spirit. Number 1, instead of asking what has someone done to you, consider what they have done for you. Did they do their jobs well? What did they teach you, and what was and is the lesson? Overcome your human response of judgment, blame, and self-righteousness, and embrace with unconditional love and gratitude all that has been provided for you. You can certainly have quite the ego and human response to these questions, particularly the last line of having unconditional love and gratitude for all that's been provided for you. Are you kidding me right now? This is how impactful this work is to changing your very heart and life experiences from this point forward. Change is up to you. Embrace your higher self spirit or remain in ego, pain, blame, and limitation. We are no longer children who had no voice or no power. We create boundaries of what's acceptable and unacceptable as well. So grab your workbook and notebook and let's get started. Okay, so this work is truly life-changing. Order it. You'll love it, I promise. Please visit me at wellnesssanctuary.net to facilitate all your healing needs, whether in person or at a distance, anywhere on the planet. And peace.